Hi guys. In today's class, we'll talk about monitoring in Azure portal. So Azure provides monitoring tools in our Azure portal, which can analyze and track, and it can check the health and the performance of your resources. So when we talk about monitoring, we are talking about activity logs. So what is activity log? So activity logs, they provide a record of operations which is performed on the Azure resources at the subscription level. So I'm using the concierge subscription, that is a free subscription. So these logs, it can help track changes, audit activity, and troubleshoot issues which can relate it to resource modification. So main feature is basically like it captures who is the user, what are they doing, and when have they performed. So we can check the logs as well. So over here you can see here the update SQL database. So I have recently updated my SQL database, and if we click on our JSON file, we can see here some of the metadata fields, such as we have such as like a lot of values over here. We have over here on, we can see here a resource ID. So this can be a metadata field, and also we have operation name, such as Microsoft.SQL server slash databases slash write. So this can also be a metadata field. We have categories as well. So such as category, like over here we have category. We have status, so substatus or status which is succeeded. Also we have many other fields such as identity fields. It contains like values like caller is already there in the our above. So caller stands for our email ID. So yeah, so over here we can see the caller, and also we have the level, and also we have level here informational. It can be warning, it can be error, something like this. So we have event details, that is what has happened. So the event details is nothing but when has the event time has happened. So we have the original events timestamp, and also response field such as status, we can say. So this can be our status, such as succeeded. So that's the operation outcome. So basically the general event details, who has performed the actions, what has happened, and the result of the action. So those are some of the activity logs. And when we come down over here, we have under monitoring, we have alerts. So under alerts, alerts in Azure Monitoring, we can notify you when specific conditions are met in your environment. So they help in proactive monitoring by detecting performance issues, security threats, or failures. So we have a create option over here to create alerts. So there are different types of alert. It can be metric, log, many others. So alert will define the condition under which the alert is triggered. So we have an alert rule over here. So we can create alerts. We can give the scope. I'm using my concierge subscription. We can give a condition such as CPU percentage. We can give the action group. So this will define what happens when an alert is triggered. It can be an email or something. And tags we can give. And also under details, we have and also such as the security level, action groups. So all of these come under alert rule. So you can create alert rule for your alert messages. And also we have metrics under it. So what is metrics? So they will basically, they show the real-time performance data for your Azure resources. You can create a chart over here. So chart, so you can, with chart you can create like visualizing your metric data using the chart. So you can create line charts, or you can check your bar chart for comparison or correlations with other data. You can select metrics such as CPU percentage, average can be selected, and also over here you can choose when. So last, I can choose anything like last 30 minutes, and I can see all the performance. We have diagnostic settings. So under diagnostic settings is nothing but to collect, store, and it can export logs and metrics from Azure. And under this, we have several other diagnostic settings such as SQL Insights, automatic tuning, query store runtime statistics. and query store weight statistics, errors, database weight statistics, timeouts, blocks, deadlocks, basic, instance and app advanced, workload management. So SQL Insights, they will provide deep monitoring and performance analysis for Azure SQL database. We have automatic tuning, which can optimize your database queries by applying performance improvements. You have query store runtime statistics, can capture execution details for each query over time. Query store weight statistics. So this you can track your wait times to identify your performance. Have errors to check your errors, monitor database errors for troubleshooting and debugging. Database weight statistics to analyze the time spent, timeouts to track queries, blocks to identify queries that is blocking others, deadlocks, it's important to detect and log conflicts when two queries block each other. We have basic to provide essential monitoring metrics, instance and app advanced to it offers an insight regarding application level, and also workload management, which can optimize workload distribution, and also for performance tuning as well. And also you can add those settings over here under diagnostic setting, click on add, and you can choose all of them. And finally we have logs. So this is nothing but our final detailed records of events or errors that occurs within our resources. So they can help you in monitoring, troubleshooting and security auditing. And also it can analyze and visualize your logs that is collected from different Azure resources as well. So that's all about monitoring that can be done through Azure portal. Thank you. Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!